Funbibi clothing reviews pricing explained what you get for your money. If you love trendy, playful clothing, Funbibi may catch your eye, but most people get this wrong by thinking low prices mean full durability. Let's dive into what you're really paying for. Funbibi offers casual tops, dresses, and accessories priced between and. The brand emphasizes colorful, youthful designs with lightweight fabrics. Shipping ranges from to depending on location, and international shipping may take longer. What you get: affordable, stylish clothes for casual wear, fun prints, and accessible fashion. What you give up: longevity of fabrics and stitching. Some users report shrinkage or fading after multiple washes. Here's how to evaluate. Step 1. Check sizing charts carefully. Reviews note some items run small. Step 2. Read customer feedback on durability and print quality. Step 3. Factor shipping and potential import fees. Step 4. Decide if style and affordability outweigh potential short-term wear. You won't believe what happens next if you ignore reviews. You may love the look, but find the item fades or stretches quickly. The surprising truth is that low price can deliver value, but quality may be moderate. In conclusion, Funbibi is great for affordable, fashionable pieces if you manage expectations about longevity. Focus on style and fit to get the most out of your purchase.